Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is another basic literacy or phonics lesson, and today we're going to review several of the sounds that we have learned in the past few recent lessons. Alright, so go ahead and see if you can remember how to make each of these sounds, and then restart the video when you're ready to check.
O, W, J, Y, X, Qu, V, Z.
All right, now you'll listen and write down the numbers of the sounds in the order that you hear them, and then I'll play it a second time so that you can check your answers.
V, Qu, W, Y, X, Z, O, J.
All right, this time I'll write down the correct order.
V, Qu, W, Y, X, Z, O, J.
All right, now review these words, sound them out, and then read them. And then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
E, D, red. O, A, N, plan. O, A, P, lap. W, I, N, win. J, A, G, jog. Y, A, M, yam.
Right, here are a few more. Sound out the letters and then read the word and restart the video when you're ready to check your answers.
M, I, X, mix. K, W, I, T, quit. V, E, N, T, vent. K, W, I, Z, quiz. Z, E, N, zen.
Okay, it sounds like they left out number 4, which is z, a, p, zap. Right, again, read these words, then listen and check.
M, A, X, max. T, E, X, T, text. apple, pal, s, west, o, a, n, plan, I, trip.
Okay, a few more. Sound out each sound and then read the word. Restart the video when you're ready to check.
G, I, n, s, grins, j, m, s, jumps, e, n, t, rent, j, t, jet, o, t, s, let's, w, s, t, west.
Right, now you'll write down the words as you hear them, and then I'll play it a second time, fill in the correct answers.
Text, plan, trip, jump, rent, up,
Right, I'll play it again and fill in the answers.
text, plan, trip, jump, rent, up.
All right, now we can review the sight words. Remember that sight words can't be sounded out. You just need to memorize them. So see if you can remember how to pronounce each of these and then restart the video to listen and check.
Said, go, and, we.
All right, now we're going to read a story. So look at the pictures, read the sentences, and then restart the video to listen and check.
Max texts his pal Wes. Let's plan a trip. Yes, let's go west. Wes grins and jumps up. We can rent a jet, said Max. It is a plan, said Wes.
Okay, now read the entire story and then restart when you're ready to listen and check.
Max texts his pal Wes. Let's plan a trip. Yes, let's go west. Wes grins and jumps up. We can rent a jet, said Max. It is a plan, said Wes.
All right, now we'll practice again, sounding out a few more words and reading them. Try that on your own and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
Y, e, l, p. Yelp. E, d. Red. K, a, b. Crab. D, e, k. Deck. A, n. Run. J, a, m. P, s. Jumps. G, a, b. Grab. D, I, p. Drip. D, a, p. Drop. W, e, t. Wet. B, a, x. Box. J, a, x. Jacks.
All right, here are a few more sight words. Again, see if you can read these and then listen and check.
To. The.
Right, here's another story. So look at the pictures, read the story, and then restart the video to listen.
Yelp. A red crab is on the deck. Jax runs to get it. The crab jumps. Jax can grab the crab. Drip, drop. It is wet. Jax drops it in a box.
All right, now read the entire story and restart the video to listen and check.
Yelp. A red crab is on the deck. Jax runs to get it. The crab jumps. Jax can grab the crab. Drip, drop. It is wet. Jax drops it in a box.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.